Greetings, Salesforce and Pardot team members. This is Mark Sierra and Tim Mulligan at PrintSF, your app exchange partner that helps your customers automate direct mail and gifts. Rachel on your team asked us to put a quick teaser video together to whet your appetite on what we'll share more in depth in an upcoming team meeting. So we hope this is helpful. What we're going to be sharing quickly in this video and in the team meeting is that PrintSF and Salesforce and Pardot can make it very, very easy for your higher ed customers to trigger and track and send all different kinds of direct mail. And we'll just do a quick deep dive today, quick look at using Engagement Studio to affect that process. This is just an example, but the use case here is that the prospective student fills out a web form, a Pardot form to express interest and request information about a specific major or school of interest. And when that happens, Pardot drops the student into a Sales Cloud campaign here in this step. PrintSF will then pick that up and fully lights out automated send the postcard and track it all the way through the mail stream for delivery. And Pardot will know when each piece of mail is delivered. In this case, we're using Engagement Studio to wait 5 days and then evaluate if the custom field of PrintSF current template name is CU pre-app postcard, and if the PrintSF current mailer status has changed to delivered. And if that happens, then it will, if it's been delivered, it will send an email, wait 7 days for the email to be opened, and then trigger a recruiter follow-up call. If the mail piece upon evaluation has not yet been delivered, then it goes through a series of waiting steps here, waiting for it to be delivered, and then ultimately sending the email and scheduling the recruiter follow-up. So pretty basic Engagement Studio setup there. And as you can see, well within the scope of what's possible. On the back end, if you're wondering, well, how does PrintSF actually get that sent out? We have something called Autopilot, and we've configured a number of Autopilot jobs in your university demo org here, and things like student birthdays next week. The example I just gave you are the pre-application postcards, which are running every weekday at 11 a.m. PrintSF will run and sweep up all the qualifying records and execute the mail send. You could configure financial aid approval letters, new application thank you letters. Really, the sky's the limit. We'll look more deeply at how all this is wired and works in our team meeting, but I will just mention that there's a great degree of personalization available. The Autopilot is a lights out process. There's no manual steps involved, but when configuring here, we have a chance to see personalization in action. You can see this card's going out to a prospective student named Sophia, and she's interested in the Bachelor in Computer Information Sciences. The back of her postcard is relative to that school, and then if I flip to the next record in the campaign, the postcard will be completely different. Will be for a bachelor's in business to Teresa with a different backside. So everything can be highly personalized. And as I mentioned, every piece of mail is tracked all the way through to delivery. All of that is reported record by record, mail piece by mail piece in Salesforce and synced to Pardot so that you can trigger the next action in the student journey based on mail status. Thanks so much. We're looking forward to getting together with you for a deeper dive soon.